Okay, it's been a while since I posted anything on my channel, but cô sẽ show how cô what the sequence cho đó, okay? Sequence you could buy it at Hobby Lobby, any craft store, okay? Chị cô buy your John the Hobby Lobby, and then go your just sequence. You could buy any kind of sequence, but what I'm using, ntaub, is the stars. Okay, these are very small stars. Or you can buy, I have other ones here. I'll show you guys. These are the ones I bought a while back. There's leaves, there's circles, there's flowers too. I don't know what happened to my flowers, but yeah, so just buy the sequence you like and buy beads that would match it, or I think I got this like 50% off today. It's $5.99 from Hobby Lobby. Took the tags off. But yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how I did that. Very simple. Gong, okay, just eat the gong here called okay. So this is the one that good I not so that, but I just want to show you guys. I finished this one, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I did it on the not finished bandao. Okay, so did he sew just right at the center, right at the center. Just pull your string, and don't pull it all the way out. I'm leaving a little bit in the back so I can just tie it off, instead of trying to knot it and then sew it on. Okay, really knot. Okay, I'm gonna need my sequence. I'm gonna put my sequence on, and then I'm gonna put a bead on in order to hold the sequence down. Okay, so or not, don't pull the string all the way out. Just make sure you guys have your finger holding it, and then go through the sequence again and into the bandao, and just pull it out from the back, and then tie it off. But what I'm gonna do to make it easier showing you guys, I'm gonna cut it and just save enough so that you guys can actually tie it in the back. And this is how I do it. I'm just gonna tie it off. I'm gonna do 3 times, 3 knots, and then I'm just gonna cut it right off. And that's it. That's how I'm gonna do it. And there you go. You got, ooh, it's not focusing. I don't know why it's not focusing, guys. But yeah, that's how it is. And the finished bandao would look something like this. I'm going to put blue border on the outside. And then I'm also going to put these stars out here on the blue borders. So that way, but so it's not finished. But when I do finish, I'll show you guys the whole outfit after I sew it together and everything. But yeah, this is it. And then, like I said, a blue border on the outside with the 100% nylon border cho bên chân đầu bên xí or chị cũng cho the torsion or not chị cũng mà cho stars on it. But I'm not gonna put those stars on it until after I sew onto the lũ chon, so that way it's easier to sew it onto my fabric to make a shirt. Okay, bye. Hopefully this helps.